In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign into eBay. If you're trying to access your eBay account and you originally created it using your Google account, this process is very quick and straightforward. I'll walk you through exactly what to do so you can sign in without confusion. Start by going to the eBay website. Once the homepage loads, look for the sign in option. It's usually located near the top of the page where account access options are easy to find. Go ahead and click sign in to begin the login process. After that, eBay will take you to the sign in page where you'll see different ways to access your account. At this point, pay attention to how your account was originally created. If you signed up for eBay using your Google account, you should choose the option that says continue with Google. Click continue with Google and a Google sign-in window or prompt will appear. From there, select the correct Google account associated with your eBay profile. If you're not already signed in to Google on your browser, you may be asked to log in first before continuing. Just make sure you use the same Google account that you used when setting up your eBay account. Otherwise, you may not be able to access the correct profile. Once you select the right Google account, the sign-in process should continue days automatically. In most cases, eBay will recognize your account and log you in right away. If you have multiple Google accounts, it's a good idea to pause for a moment and double check that you're choosing the right one, especially if you use separate accounts for personal and shopping activity. If the page doesn't move forward immediately, give it a few seconds to load. Also, make sure your browser allows pop-ups or sign-in windows if needed, since Google authentication can sometimes open in a separate prompt. And that's it. To sign into eBay, click Sign In, then choose Continue with Google if your eBay account was created using Google. It's a simple method, and once you know which sign-in option matches the way you registered, accessing your account becomes much faster and easier. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you sign in to eBay smoothly.